Hi students, I am Sheetala Davkar. Let's start our topic HTML. Before starting HTML, we must know some basic things like what is internet, website, web page and what is browser. So let's start with what is internet. Internet is a collection of network connected together for sharing information and data. So it need not to necessary to tell you that what is use of internet in today's world. Everyone are aware about that. So next thing is a browser. Browser is a way of getting connected to the internet for accessing the data. For example, Mozilla, Chrome, Internet Explorer are the examples of browser. The next term is web page. Web page is a document written in HTML, consists of images and data. I will explain all these terms with the help of screenshot in next slide so you can understand easily. This is a Google, which is a search engine where we can search any information or data what we want. So I simply search www.gmail.com website in search box. We get different hyperlinks here. These are the hyperlinks which consist of address of web page, and this is a URL which consists of address of website. So website is nothing but collection of these all web pages. I simply click on this second link for opening login page of Google. So I will get this page. This is a web page. Once you log in with your ID and password, you will get this page. Then next, let's move to the HTML introduction. HTML language is very easy to learn, so everyone will enjoy its learning. HTML is a standard markup language for creating a web page. So what is web page? I already told you. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Means HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. This language is very useful for beginners which are used to develop web pages or website. Then our next point is advantages of HTML. This language is very easy to use and widely used because every web page is created by using HTML. So that's why it is widely used for web development. Then next is a simple syntax. This language has simple syntax, so we can easily make coding. The next point is supported on almost every browser. The HTML page run on every browser, so we need any special software for execution of HTML program. Next point is it is by default in every Windows, so you need not purchase extra software. Then next point is disadvantages of HTML. There is some disadvantages of HTML. It can create only static pages, so if we need dynamic pages, then HTML is not useful. Means we can create only static pages which contain only text, images and video. We cannot create interactive pages like in Facebook there is a chat option, live video making option, This type of option we cannot be created using HTML. Then second is a need to write lot of code for making simple web pages. We have to write lots of code for making simple web pages. Then third is a security features are not good in HTML. HTML is only used for making simple structure, but it is not good for security option. Then next, if we need to write long code for making web page, then it produces some complexity. It is very simple. If we write long code for making simple web page, it produces more complexity. Let's start our first HTML program. We can type our HTML program by using Notepad. You simply type your HTML program by using Notepad. This is our first program. You can type this program as it is in Notepad. After typing, you have to save this program with a .html extension. For example, trial.html. Trial is a program name and .html is a extension. I will explain this whole program with explanation in next slide. After running your program, you will get this type of HTML file. Means your program is successfully run. And you will get this output. Means my first heading is your output. Your program is successfully run. This is a HTML program and this is their explanation. Every HTML program is start with a HTML tag. If you write any HTML program, you have to start with a HTML tag. Every HTML tag have its ending tag. Means here is a HTML. Its ending tag is /HTML, means /. This is a head tag. Head tag have its ending tag, that is the /head. Title tag have its ending tag /title. So every HTML tag comes with a pair. So HTML is a root element of an HTML page. Then HTML contains next tag, that is a head. Head contains information about the document. Head contains title. Title specifies the title of the document. You can give any title to your program. I simply give here HTML. You can give any title. Then you have to close that ending tag, means title, then /title. That is a /title /title, means this tag is closed. After finishing the title, you have to close the head tag with a /head. Then next is a body. Body part contains the output which you want to show to the browser. Means this is my first HTML program. This is your output. And then close the body and close the HTML. I hope you understand this basic HTML program. In next video, we will cover various HTML tags with program and its explanation. Thank you.